Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how to take this St. Remy Vsop and make a barbecue wings to die for, trust me. So right here, I have 2 pounds of chicken wing that I already went off camera and clean up. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, right? Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning. And I'm using the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, as you can see right here, right? Nice. Alright guys, the portion of seasoning I'm using can serve up to 3 pounds of wings, right? If you're gonna make more wings than that, all you have to do is just double up on the ingredients. Now I'm gonna go ahead and massage my seasoning into my chicken wings, right? Nice. And guys, this is smelling really delicious already. I haven't even cooked as yet. Alright, so I'm just gonna let it sit and marinate for half an hour before I start. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and place them on a baking mesh, right? And the reason for this baking mesh is to actually give it air, right? To let the air pass freely underneath and above the chicken, to give it a nice texture on the outside, right? At 400 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm just gonna place my chicken wings in the oven, right, for 45 minutes. Meanwhile my chicken wing is baking, I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the sauce, right? And I'm starting with 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, right? Also, half cut of freshly squeezed lemon juice, right? 2 tablespoons of pure honey. And I'm just making sure I get all the bits of honey out, right? Also gonna add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Also 1 tablespoon of Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. Now for the star of the show, right? 1/4 cup of St. Remy Vsop brandy, right? As you can see right here, this is the bottle, right? Wow, guys, this is gonna be amazing, right? And you just want to mix thoroughly, right, till everything is properly blended. Nice. Guys, look how rich and pretty this is. Look at this sauce. Wow. Alright. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my wings out the oven. And I'm gonna start applying the wings to my sauce, right? Guys, wow. Trust me, you need to try this. Trust me. And if you see this anywhere else, it's Young D's recipe, right? I just hope they give me credit for it because no one has ever done this before. Trust me. Alright, you just want to make sure you properly coat these wings, right? And I'm just gonna add them back to my tray. Place them back on the mesh, right? Trust me. I can't wait to dive into this. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna place them back in the oven for 5 minutes, right? Just for that sauce to seal properly into the wings. Alright guys, now here are the finishing product of my St. Remy Vsop jerk barbecue wings. Look at it. Oh, look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright guys, trust me. I need you to try this. If you want to know how good Chef Young D is, just try this recipe. Trust me, you're gonna be amazed. Wow, trust me. Alright, so this is what it's looking like now, right? And I'm just gonna dive into it. Mazarop. Yum. Martin! Alright guys, if you reached thus far in the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Boom.